Hi there, Mike Giannotti here. And for our Copilot snack today, I thought I'd do something a little different. And this is helping you to up your prompt game. So Microsoft and our extended community, there's some great resources out there that you can take advantage of to really help your users to not only get more value out of Copilot, to really realize that value with effective prompting to provide back the kind of responses that they were expecting. So to be able to share that and make it much more broader based in reuse of those kind of prompts throughout your organization. So to start our journey, we're going to look at a couple of areas. I'll provide all the links in the post so you don't have to try to jot them down from the screen, but I want to cover what they provide and then provide you, again, those links to them. Our first stop is going to be Copilot Lab. That's at copilot.cloud.microsoft. And it's a great resource to get started with. And if you come here, you'll see you can start off with start your Copilot journey. There's some videos that can help with that. They have Copilot in your everyday apps, and you can click any one of these and get extended samples and instructions and showing you how to use Copilot in different applications that it's lit up in for Microsoft 365. They have a whole series of sample prompts, and you can click to view all the prompts that Microsoft has pulled together and to get you jump started and makes available. There's also the art of prompting, going through the four kind of principal areas of it: goal, context, source, and expectations, and getting that all in there. Learn about Copilot prompts. Download the toolkit. There's actually a toolkit for Copilot prompts. And then again, additional information. So a lot of great content here for you to provide for your users. Package it up, make it available, and let them hit the ground running. Following that is something that I highly recommend. And this comes to us from GitHub. This is an open source project from Stuart Redout and Eric Olson, and I highly recommend it. It's called Prompt Buddy. Prompt Buddy, as it reads here, is a free Microsoft Teams Power App using Dataverse for Teams. It's a space where your team can share their favorite AI prompts and upvote prompts from others. It is preloaded with Copilot categories, but others can be added. And that's an important point. I'll kind of highlight that when we look at it. When you come over to the Copilot resource, it has a whole overview, walks you through kind of what it does. There's installation directions, there's updating, how to have smooth updates, keep it up to date. And this is a great resource, and kind of walk you through. I wanted to show you. Actually, let me come on back here. We'll go back to the opening of it. And you can see I was already in it because I love it. I use it all the time. So I have Prompt Buddy here in Microsoft Teams, and I have the dark mode on, and it supports both dark and light, important to note. But you can see here, it shows a couple of things. Number one, you see the top contributors. How many prompts have individuals prompted? And we have the top 5 listed. The top prompts: 1 prompt to rule tomorrow, start the day right, wrap up your day and get prepared, I've been away for 7, try this to get files that someone shared. And then new prompts, right, that are available. And you can see all those bubbling up. We have filters that we can look at: my likes, our picks, apps. So we're looking at by app right here. We can look at by department. Look at that. And this is that extensibility. It can be your departments. Maybe you're a group that's, oh, I don't know, you're clinicians or clinician managers or farmer researchers or, phone desk for payers. There's all kinds of things that we might want to put that with, as well as personas. So we also can extend that with the personas pertinent to our groups. And you can do all kinds of crazy custom little graphics here. Great resource. And then again, I'll come back here to apps. It gives coverage for all the apps that Copilots are in. Here's Azure. There's for M365, the web, for Dynamics, for sales, security, designer, and applications. It's all right there. So like if I wanted to get something, let's say, oh, I don't know, for whiteboard, I haven't looked at this one yet. I can come in here and you can see that 7 people have contributed prompts, and here I'll show you that in 1 second. You can see here, here's one, use Copilot to summarize your whiteboard. And this is going to get you a loop component. Select summarize from the Copilot prompt in whiteboard, boom, and done. And it'll do that. That's pretty straightforward, easy one. Let me click like. I can leave a comment here, but also when I go into any given one of these, I can submit my own prompt to share with users. I have title, description, the prompt itself. What is it classified under? It automatically shows where I'm doing it from, but I can also select any of the classifications, the prompt language, supportive files, and I can click here to add my own image. So this is just a great resource for users to have at their fingertips. Make it available in Teams, the single pane of glass to get work done, and there you go. And oh, by the way, you can also search for prompts based off of, either the titles or descriptions, things you're looking for. That's Prompt Buddy. Check it out, grab it, and I'll have the link for that. Next up is a PDF that I highly recommend you provide all of your users of Copilot. This is something they can print off if they desire, tape it up in their cubicle, have it front and center ready, and it goes through the art and science of prompting and walks you through. Tell Copilot what you need. Include the right ingredients. So important. Going through the goal, the context, the source, and expectation. Really those 4 elements that you need for an effective prompt. And then how to keep the conversation going, iterating and working on that and getting additional information, some helpful hints. Give it to your users. I'll provide the link. It's available online and you'll have that. And finally, for your power users, here is documentation online around using prompt modification and provide custom instructions to your Copilot. And so here you can see there's all kinds of information here. And it shows custom instructions, user questions, Copilot responses, best practices, capabilities, how to test your Copilot prompt and all that. Some great things here. Take a look at it. All the links will be in the post. So make sure you're at aka.ms/HLS blog. That's aka.ms/HLS blog to view the entire post, not just the video. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Up your Copilot prompt game and help your organizational users to maximize their prompts. With that, this is Mike Giannotti bidding you have a great day. Take care, and as always, ciao.